Do your joints give you trouble? Feel the ache and stiffness? No worries. I've got a quick solution to make those pains vanish in just a week. Let's tackle those joint issues together. Check out this amazing homemade balm for sore joints and bones. No kidding, just 3 simple ingredients. First up, bay leaves. 5 to 7 of them. Crush them real good. Bay leaves are like the superheroes of pain relief. Next, fresh rosemary. 2 twigs or 1 spoonful of dried leaves. Wash 'em, strain 'em, and let the healing vibes begin. Rosemary's been rocking the joint pain scene for centuries. Now, the magic potion, olive oil. Go for top-notch, cold-pressed extra virgin 2 deciliters. It's like liquid gold for your joints, seriously. Pour it over the bay leaves and rosemary. Time to cook up a storm. Fill a pot halfway with water, put your ingredient bowl in, and let it steam for 30 minutes. Stir occasionally. Don't forget that dance move. This combo of rosemary, bay leaves, and olive oil is a game changer for rheumatism, gout, you name it. After the spa treatment, let it cool for 20 minutes. Strain it into jars. We got 3 jars of pure joint healing gold. Apply it to sore spots every night. Knees, shoulders, wherever. Say bye-bye to morning stiffness after just 7 days. Got sciatica or varicose veins? This balm's got your back, literally. Healthier bones and joints are just a jar away. Feel the pain creeping back? Hit repeat on this therapy. Where you at? Drop your country in the comments. Have a great health.